as a flip operation of opencv. This is one of the most important and useful operation of opencv, and it is basically used when we have a less number of images in your data set to be operated. So to increase the number of images, just to see the different views of images in the vertical direction, in the horizontal direction, or in both the direction, we use a flipping of images so that we can increase the data set images, right? So let's discuss basically what we have a flip image. We have three basic operation of OpenCV flip, that is horizontal directions, vertical direction, or both directions. So how it is being used? This is a basic syntax that image. This is a variable name, and here you will use a CV2 library dot flip. This is a predefined function in CV2, and this is an image, your original image that you want to flip the image, and this is a direction that you have to specify whether you want to flip the image in horizontal direction or vertical direction or in both directions, right? So this is this value can be 0, or either it can be 1 or -1. If it is 0, so it will show you the image in the vertical direction flipping, right? If it is 1, so it will give you in the horizontal direction, and it is in -1, it will give you the direction in both of vertical as well as in horizontal. So let's operate it and see the code of flipping. First of all, we need to import the libraries, that is important libraries, CV2, Matplotlib, and NumPy. So execute it using Shift Enter. I just execute this cell and it is being executed. Now I will just read the original image that I want to operate on it. So this is a I'm read function, and this is my original image that is residing in my current folder, in which current working directory I'm working it. And this is a CV2, this is library. So using the CV2.im read function, you will read the original image and just put it in the variable that is image. I'll execute it and the image is being read. Now I want to see that what is my original image. So we can just use this. For this we have used the matplotlib's plt.im show function. Inside this you have passed the variables in which your image was residing in, that is image, and this is a title over where over the image I want a title that is written over like this, original image. So I will execute this. Now, if in case I want to execute this in the horizontal direction, so I will just pass the image. This is an original image and to the image, and this image will be passed using the flip function. And inside this, you will give the direction name, that in which direction you want to flip the image. And then I will use I am show to show the image and title over the image. This is a horizontal direction, so you can differentiate it this image and this image. Here the gap is less because it is being flipped in the horizontal direction. So in the left it is being shifted, and now the gap is being more. So that means that this cat has been shifted to the left and it is being flipped toward the left hand side, right? Now, similarly, if we want to flip the image in the vertical direction, so what you will do, the same operation we will be performing it, but here you will just change the value, that is from 1 you will change it to 0, and this will give you in the vertical direction flipping, right? So let's execute this statement, and now I want to see the image in the vertical direction. So now the original image was like this, and now it is being flipped into the vertical direction. That means the head of the cat now comes to the down and it is being flipped like this, right? So from the one images we just got the two images. Now the third image will be getting when we are flipping the image in both of the direction, that is horizontal flipping and the vertical flippings. For that you will perform the same operation as you have done above, but here you will just change the direction, that is a -1, and now I just execute this statement. So it will just flip the image in the horizontal direction as well as in the vertical directions. So that's all for it. So this you can use in your own data set to increase your data set images. Thank you all for watching this.